one other thing about the Model S I don't know is you see that battery percentage right there, right? Okay, so over here we have this little thing. If I push that, I can see this. Where do I check the miles? Like, you can't change it to miles. I mean, I feel percent is more intuitive. It makes more sense than the miles because the miles fluctuates a lot, so it's not really accurate. But you don't even have that option on this Model S. Like, is that an option? Let me see. Can I type something here? The weather, that does nothing. There's the calendar if you want. See, I also don't like how the UI, like, some stuff you swipe down and some stuff you swipe sideways. If I didn't already mention that, I'm pretty sure I did. But yeah, like, some stuff you swipe down that you have to swipe down. I think everything other than the menu is swipe down. So you have to remember, if you're opening that you can't swipe that down. And if you open any of these little things here, you can't swipe it sideways. Like, see. So I feel it's kind of weird, this UI. You can't check your efficiency, your trip stuff. Here you can check it, but you can't check it down here. You can't even see that here. So I feel like you get more screen, but you get less information. It's kind of doesn't make sense.